So it is currently Thursday, October 1st, and we are going to be testing green tea every single day, hopefully morning and night. I can remember, but for sure every single day. Green tea on my skin. Before and after pictures, obviously, I'll be at the end of the video. But right now, we're just gonna make it fresh. I'll have a nice cup of green tea, and then when I'm done with the bag, I'll wipe it all over my face. Who knows, maybe I'll just be drinking a lot of green tea. But anyway, I'm just gonna make some green tea right now. And I'm just thinking, should I do green tea this week and then like matcha or something? Matcha is actually stronger, like it's supposed to be stronger than green tea because it's the leaf itself being crushed, whereas the green tea leaf tea bag, you're just steeping the leaf, you're not actually consuming the whole plant like matcha. Going to enjoy drinking this, I guess, and then I'll just slap the tea bag all over my face when I'm done, and I will make sure I record that, and I'll be off to bed because I'm very tired. I'm not completely done my tea, but whatever. I'm just taking the bag straight. It's been steeping for a while, so I assume all the juices are nice and you know, juicy. I don't know, potent, I guess. I'm basically just gonna use this as a toner to see if this will do anything good for my skin. So yeah, I've been just doing that for a while. Okay, I'm just gonna finish my green tea. Might as well. And yeah, then now instead of the toner I usually use, I'm using green tea. So yeah, this is day one. What my skin is currently looking like, but this is day one. I will catch you later. Hello! This is what my skin is currently looking like. I've only been remembering during the mornings right now. I am currently just drinking another thing of tea, and then I'm just going to, honestly, let's just do it now. My tea is now to the point of like cooling down, so we'll just do it now. That is a look. This is the first thing I did when I woke up. Like I literally just kind of woke up. I slept in. It's literally like 12 in the afternoon. I was up so late last night. I just could not fall asleep. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Quarter life crisis problems, I guess. I don't know what it is, but gotta do a lot of work today. So, oh my eyes, it kind of is relaxing. Okay, and I'll hopefully catch you in the evening because I'm gonna be starting to do this like seriously now. Morning and night, not just at night. So yeah, I will catch you later. And ready for bed, but we're gonna make, of course, a nice cup of green tea. Don't mind if I do. Oh my god, go wait for this to cool off and I'll come back when I put it on my face. It is time. I'm actually debating on just putting like the rest of my green tea in like a spray bottle or something. Just using it as a toner that way, because wiping a green tea bag all over my face is the exact same thing as just like dunking my face or using green tea as a toner anyway. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is actually take the rest of this and dump it into one of these and just use a cotton swab instead. Makes so much more sense because this is basically the same thing as, again, like dunking my face in the tea bag. Not like the leaves are exfoliating or something. Anyway, we're just gonna use this as a toner. I'm going to store it in the fridge, and we are going to continue the rest of the week every morning and night, just because it's gonna be so much easier and convenient to be able to remember to do this every morning and night if I do this super quick and easy version, just kind of like the rice water toner, except it's green tea. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Just put it in the fridge, and I will use it as a toner, just a cotton swab from now on. Same effect, and yeah, looking forward to the result. Okay, so it is Monday, October 5th. Essentially, that was like the same thing as rubbing a tea bag on my face, so it'll save me some tea bags. Also, because that's a lot of effort that I'm willing to not do. I feel like no one is gonna do that either. Or even remember to like boil it every morning and night, having to like drink it, or I don't know. Like just to put it on your face, I don't know. It just doesn't make sense to me. Unless if you are obsessed with green tea and actually drink it every morning and night. But I feel like I was like that at one point, but now I'm just like, I'm more of a matcha girl. But it does feel so nice and cooling because it was in the fridge. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with that. But anyway, I'll remember to keep doing this every morning and night. Yee! Oh my gosh, this is so refreshing. I just woke up, I didn't even wash my face. This is literally like the only thing I'm doing, and then I'm gonna put on sunscreen. So yeah, again, very simplistic, pretty much just the green tea I'm doing. I do have like a little pimple here, so I just want to see if like the redness will calm down, because I will get like the odd pimple. Alright, catch you later. Oh my gosh, right away I noticed, I know I have like 2 active breakouts right in the front of my head. Of course, this is really bad timing. Definitely don't think it was because of the green tea. I think it was just because I was lacking of sleep. That is such an important thing, sleep. So remember to get your shut-eye because it's like 3 a.m. right now. My schedule is so messed up right now. But anyway, so basically my whole overall experience with the green tea, honestly, like you can't go wrong with green tea. There's so many scientific studies backing up how anti-inflammatory green tea is. It reduces mTOR production. If you don't know what that is, Google it. Type of oxidation, I believe, in the body. But at the end of the day, it's very much an anti-inflammatory thing. Green tea is amazing for that. Again, comment down below if you want me to do matcha next, because apparently that's supposed to be way stronger since it is just the green tea leaf ground up directly on your face. But anyway, back to the actual green tea. The whole experience was way better, like putting it in the bottle and storing it in the fridge and just using it with a cotton swab instead of making fresh tea every single morning and night with the tea bag or using an ice cube. I'm not really sure if I should do an ice cube, so let me know down below. But I heard that ice cubes can be a bit abrasive or a bit harsh on the skin, so I feel like the thing I did with the bottle and the cotton swab was honestly the best result, because if you're looking for the cooling sensation, I guess to like tighten your pores, I don't know if that even does that, but I mean it's cooling nonetheless and refreshing. So putting in the bottle, storing in the fridge is probably the best. Highly recommend that. But yeah, like as the overall redness, I'm just gonna take an after picture so you can compare before and after. Obviously this is super red right now, but I think we're gonna be looking at mainly like the scars, overall scarring and pigmentation, because I'm really focusing on scarring right now. So we'll just focus on the rest of the face. So definitely comment down below if you see any difference. And at the end of the video, I'm just gonna compare the beginning and the after picture just to see initial first impressions again of maybe any redness reduction if there is with the green tea. Yeah, I feel like green tea super affordable. You're gonna be saving so much money if you just use this as a toner, and honestly I don't think you could even go wrong with that. I feel like it's such a good alternative compared to the majority of toners you see on the market. Like green tea is such a popular trendy ingredient, and if you just take it straight from the source and make it yourself, hey, that's awesome. You save money and it's also more natural and pure or fresh. So anyway, with that being said, I'm so tired, I gotta go to bed. But anyway, with that being said, I hope you subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys have a good day, good night wherever you're watching this, and I will catch you in the next video. Maybe I might test matcha powder next, we shall see. Turmeric maybe, I get a lot of requests for that. But yeah, anyway, I will see you in the next video. Signing off. Peace.